leadership in science and industry, our hopes for peace and security, our obligations to ourselves as well as others, all require us to make this effort, to solve these mysteries, to solve them for the good of all men. There is no strife, no prejudice, no national conflict in outer space as yet. Its hazards are hostile to us all. Its conquest deserves the best of all mankind. We choose to go to the moon. We choose to go to the moon.
Roger, Tranquility. We copy that. We cannot believe you are on the moon. Repeat, cannot believe it. Over.
I'm talking to you from the surface of the moon. In a chicken basket.
Les Harvey, what's the grand prize today? It's a super space adventure. Step into the world of the astronauts as you suit up and conduct exciting space shuttle missions of your own.
We don't hide our space program. We don't keep secrets and cover things up. We do it all up front and in public. That's the way freedom is, and we wouldn't change it for a minute. We'll continue our quest in space. There will be more shuttle flights and more shuttle crews, and yes, more volunteers, more civilians, more teachers in space. Nothing ends here.
To explore strange new worlds, to seek out new life and new civilizations, to boldly go where no one has gone before.
Ladies and gentlemen, rock and roll.
The reason I believe that NASA and the government faked the moon landing was basically it was technically impossible to do it. And they simply had to come up with some sort of alternative that they felt the public would believe.
And we can see from Harmony, we can go into the Columbus module. PMA to where the shuttle is, and the GEM.
What you're seeing now is NASA, I think, redefining its mission, and we've set a goal to let's ultimately get to Mars. But the point is, let's start stretching the boundaries so we're not doing the same thing over and over again. But rather, let's start thinking about what's the next horizon, what's the next frontier out there. And But in order to do that, we're actually going to need some technological breakthroughs that we don't have yet.
Mission complete, Houston. After serving the world for over 30 years, the space shuttle